Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Passat. This is the 2 litre diesel SEL version, automatic, finished in absolutely stunning Reflex Silver metallic paint. You've got really nice diamond cut alloy wheels and chrome window surrounds. You've also got rear tinted windows. You've got power folding mirrors, so if I press unlock, the mirrors will unfold. Got a really good sized boot. There you go, as you can see, fit plenty in there, really good sized boot. So I'll show you some of the inside. So you've got really nice Vienna leather on the inside. Plenty of room in there. You've got the chrome on the front and the grille. Really ties in with the window surrounds. Just gives it a nice finishing touch. So I'll start it up and I can show you some of the inside. So as you can see, on the inside it's keyless start. You've got your automatic gears down here and your electronic parking brake with auto hold. On the screen you've got sat nav. Really good sat nav. You've also got a driver mode selection. So if you press the button down here, you can choose between eco, normal, sport or individual. Just depends on how you want the car to feel. Underneath that you've got your heated seats and climate control. With the heated seats you've also got heated windscreen washer jets. Perfect for this time of year, save anything freezing. You have got parking sensors. Front and rear parking sensors. Perfect for parking your nice new car. Onto your multi-function steering wheel you've got your cruise control. To the right of that you've got your lights. I've got automatic lights on this. Boot release, heated door mirrors, perfect again for this time of year, and you've got all your window controls. I'll just give you another close-up of the seats. See how nice quality they are. Gives it that luxurious edge. You've also got a nice leather armrest too. So I hope you like it. If you're interested or you've got any questions at all, please just give us a call. Thank you.